Hello friends, my name is Udit Jain. I am a student of third year electronics. The topic which I will be explaining today is the second experiment of our DLIC course, Design of Linear Integrated Circuits. So the second topic name is Applications of Op-Amp as adder, subtractor and implementing the given form in the linear equation. So first we will be seeing the non-inverting adder circuit. So here we have created a schematic of this circuit with three input voltages connected to the non-inverting end with three resistances, input resistances connected to the non-inverting end, and the inverting end of the op amp is grounded with two resistance also embedded in it. Where here we can experience one feedback resistor is there of value 10 kilo ohm and one circuitry for power supply each of 15 volts. So here we have to obtain the DC operating point value. So here the theoretical voltage we can easily calculate as V is equal to VA plus VB plus VC. What is VA? 1 volt. What is VB? 3 volt. What is VC? 1 volt. So 1 plus 3 plus 1. So it will be 5 volt. The theoretical result is 5 volt. So now we will be checking the experimental and practical voltage through this circuit. So here we will click on run. We will check DC operating point. We will place dot OP here. So here we have obtained the operating point values of various components in the circuit. So we'll just cross it and see here we have got the output value as 5.1388674. Isn't it nearer to the theoretical value which is 5 volts? So here we have conducted a study using various different kinds of op amp and seeing which op amp is bringing the practical value nearest to the theoretical value. So here we can change voltages also and verify this. But now we will be changing the op amp and verifying this. We'll just cross it and LM741. Here we have placed LM741. We will run it, and here we have got the operating point values, and see here is 5.1489, slightly bigger than the previous op amp. So we will check now again with TL084. Let's see how it works. So here we have got operating point values through TL084. Here we have got the value 5.13871005. So here we have obtained the practical values using all the three op amps which we had taken into consideration of non-inverting adder circuit. So now we will move towards the subtractor circuit. What is the job of subtractor? Subtractor's job is to take the minus of two input voltages. So the your input is 2 volts, your input is 3 volts. So 2 volts minus 3 volts, which is minus 1 volt. So here we have will now conduct analysis according to OP07. So I'll just run it, DC operating point, and here we see here we have got the operating point values of all the components. We have got the currents, we have got the currents, we have got the voltages of different things. So here we can see we are getting minus 999.99714 millivolts. So it is nearer to minus 1 volt, and minus 1 volt is 1000 millivolts. So it is nearer to this. So we will conduct study according to LM741. Here we go. We got the operating point values and see. Here we have got minus 997.8813 millivolts. So I think OP07 was slightly better in this case. So now we will do for TL084 and draw out following conclusion what we can see. So we have chosen this and we will run it. So here we have got various operating point values and minus 1.000019. So we can say, according to this I can conclude that OP07 was slightly better in this regard for subtractor circuit and same for the non-inverting adder circuit. We can change voltage values here and implement the same, and we can conclude whatever we want as an inference. Now we will go towards the third and the final part of this practical, that is linear equation using op-amp. So here we have got the linear equation as 2VA plus 3VB minus 4VC. It's not V5, basically it's VC. So here we can see that VA has gain 2, VB has gain 3, VC has gain 4. So the linear circuit is designed according to it. Now we will check the gain using this also. Here we have selected OP07. We will simulate edit simulation command, DC operating point, and here we go. Here the value is 946.91968 millivolts. So basically VA का gain is 2, VB का gain is 3, VC का gain is 4. And by using OP07 we get this value 946.91968 millivolts. Now we will do the same, repeat the same using other different op-amps. I have to cancel this also. See, here we have got 946.83313 millivolts as our output, and theoretical value which we can substitute the values of voltage in this equation. Now we will repeat using TL084. And we will just run it. Got the operating point values, and it is 953.91297 millivolts. So I must say, like by theoretical values, 2 into 1, 2 plus 3, which is 5, and 1000 millivolts. So I must say in this linear equation, and just taken one set of readings, I can't conclude, but still I would say here TL084 was best in regard with its other two counterparts. So from here in this practical we have studied the use of op-amp as non-inverting adder circuit, subtractor circuit, and linear equation using op-amp. That's how the name op-amp was given, because it does multiple operations. So it was a good understanding of between theoretical and practical insights to figure out how does the thing works. So according to my study, I would say in two para parts OP07 was dominant, And in the last linear equation part, in just one set of readings, I can see TL084 was better, slightly better. So I would say overall the designer would select OP07 for designing, as it is giving the theoretical values and practical values nearly same, not as far away from LM741 and TL084. Thank you everyone.